Just come onto this website, sign up, grab your affiliate link, then come over here, use the secret tool to get yourself thousands of people all in absolutely free traffic, and you'll be making thousands of dollars all in passive income, all on autopilot. Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day. I had a great one yesterday because I just found out about this awesome new way through which you can make money online as a complete beginner. To be precise, you can make upwards of up to $1,150 every 100 minutes on this new awesome website. Now guys, all you need to do is a stable internet connection and their laptop, nothing more. And the best part about this method is that it works worldwide, and this is really fast. So it's going to work to 2021 as well. No skill, no experience. Isn't it only your computer and a little bit of your time is all that you need? All you need to do is just watch the whole video and focus so that you'll understand the whole strategy. So in approximately 10 minutes from now, you will completely understand how to check the money tree without much effort. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump into step number 1. Just watch the whole video completely and make sure to like this video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come onto this website. I'm not gonna disclose the name of the website just yet, because firstly I'm going to show you exactly what this website is about and how you can go about this particular website. So on this video, people buy and sell cryptocurrencies all the time. So basically they deal in Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're dealing Litecoin, they deal in Bitcoin Cash, they're dealing many more cryptocurrencies as well. Now all of that for as easy as just one touch of a button. So basically you can download their app, you can just start sharing crypto, buying crypto and trading cryptocurrency easily just by using your phone. But that is not going to be what we are going to be doing over here on this website. I'm going to show you a different way through which you can make money off this website, and lots of money. So the name of the website is coinbase.com, and over here we have a ton of different ways we can make money. So the first one and the easiest one being, we can simply click on view more over here at the center, and then we will come on over here. So over here we all have these different courses, and if you were to take this course, you can get $3 in GRT. Now this website is literally gonna pay you for just taking all of these courses and gathering all of the knowledge about different cryptocurrencies, which you can and then cash out later by teaching it to other people, or in general buying cryptocurrencies for yourself. So they're going to pay you for learning about all of these different courses, and you can make a lot of money. But this is not what we are going to be doing over here. So firstly, we are going to be taking a look at their website, and then I'm going to show you how this method is going to work. So over here we can see that people are literally making thousands and thousands of dollars for this particular website, and they have a big portfolio. So the best thing is that you can have your own portfolio, and you can have recurring buys, and you can have well protection, and you can even have a mobile app as well. So that makes it very easy to use this particular website. So they are the most trusted cryptocurrency platform, and the best part is that they offer secure storage. So basically they have a big storage on, and which you can store all your information about your wallet, about your cryptocurrencies, about your crypto keys, like different stuff. So they have traded over $455 billion in total volume, and they are supported over in 100 plus countries with more than 43 million users. Now guys, those of you who are interested in cryptocurrency, you all must know that the volume traded in crypto is usually millions of dollars, because crypto is such a profitable place that people are literally making billions of dollars from it. So people are easily making billions of dollars with this website, and that is why they have such high volume of dollars traded. So this was basically step number 1. So come on to coinbase.com, take a look at their website, and now we're going to jump onto the step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to scroll down till the end of the website. Now over here underneath the company section, I want you to click on affiliates. Now that will take you to their affiliate section. So basically they have an affiliate section through which you can become an affiliate of their website. What an affiliate does basically is that an affiliate's job is basically to promote that particular platform of which he is an affiliate with. So if you were to become affiliates of Coinbase, all you will need to do is just basically get people to sign up using your affiliate link, and you will be getting commission, and you'll be earning a lots of passive income, all just by using your affiliate links. So how it works, you become an affiliate for absolutely free after your application is processed. You will get access to promotional assets and impact tracking software. And the number 2 is that you promote Coinbase. You link to Coinbase in articles, create your content, or place ads on your website, and then you can earn commissions whenever new people join through your link. Now, when you refer new customers to Coinbase, you will earn $50 of whatever they earn for the first 3 months, and then after that it will end. But for the first 3 months, if they can make $10 million, let's say you can make $5 million from their earnings for absolutely free, for just the fact that you referred. So that, guys, I think this is pretty amazing, because you're not going to be doing anything at all. Now you can even create campaigns, you can even get convenient payments, you can get many more things as well, because guys, honestly, this is truly passive income, and you literally are not going to be doing any work at all. All you need to do is just promote your link, which I'm going to show you exactly how, using an awesome hidden tool that we have. Now guys, before we move on with this video, what I want you to do is that smash that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. So guys, without any further ado, we are gonna jump into the step number 3. So the step number 3 is that once you have signed up, you will be able to see a dashboard like this in front of you. So over here you have many different informations, like your total commissions, your total earnings in the particular day, and your total earnings and the whole week and in the whole month as well, and that year too. And guys, all of this information is really important once you have a lot of sales happening. But if you don't have a lot of sales happening, then what you need to focus on is your affiliate link and how you're going to get hundreds and thousands of people on your affiliate link. So guys, over here we also have a graph which is going to show you everything that has happened in the past year, in the past months, or the past day with your total earnings. Now the graph can go up and down, it is not a problem, but just make sure that when it goes down, it goes back up, and the best way to take it back up is through getting a lot of affiliates. So yeah, it is really simple. You can create yourself campaigns as well, and it is honestly really simple. So guys, this is basically step number 3. Now I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get hundreds and even thousands of people on your affiliate link in step number 4. So the step number 4 is I want you to come on wizardsoft.com. Now guys, Wizardsoft is the secret tool that is gonna bring you hundreds and thousands of people all on your affiliate link. To click on it and to sign up, you will literally make 1,000 to 5,000 every single day, all in passive income without doing anything. So guys, how does wizard.com work? So wizard.com has a big user database. So what it does is that when you give it your affiliate link after signing up, they're gonna give that affiliate link out to all of their users, and they will all sign up. They have a very loyal fan base, and so, but you will be getting hundreds and thousands of people signing up, and once your earnings are gonna skyrocket. Now guys, this tool only costs $20 right now because they have a sale happening right now, but usually it is very expensive. So make sure to grab it right now while it is cheap, because guys, the value is gonna bring in your sales, is gonna be groundbreaking. And guys, lastly, the best part about this website is that you can create your own campaigns. You can like create easy campaigns and earn easy commissions, and you can avoid months or even days of hard work by just using their tool. Because usually to get yourself clicks on your affiliate link, guys, it is really hard. You have to go to different forums, you have to reach out different people, you have to ask your friends and family to do it. But with this website, you can avoid all that hassle and you can just make money without doing anything at all. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go out there and just do it. And if you guys have any confusions, any problem, absolutely any queries at all, then just let me know in the comments down below, and I will be sure to answer all of them. And guys, please do not hesitate to ask me about anything. And guys, lastly, be aware of scams. Do not give anybody your money, and only use the sites that I tell you about. So guys, this was basically the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.